Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Daily Tech Buddy. So in this video, I am about to show you guys how to fix Samsung Galaxy Note charge after 80%. So let's get start the video. So the first step was that simply go to your mobile phone settings, and once you are on the settings page, simply scroll down, and here you can see the battery option. Just simply tap on it, and after that here you can see all of your time usage and screen time. And now here you can see the optimize night charge. Just simply turn off this toggle button, and now tap on the more settings, and for now simply tap on this performance mode. So simply select to the smart performance mode, so your issue will be fixed. So that's it guys. If this video is helpful for you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.